Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's middle of February. Valentine's Day is coming up. That really doesn't have anything to do with anything at all. It is safety day here on the channel. We're going to talk a little bit of safety, and I don't mean loud pipes save lives. I don't even want to enter that debate. I want to talk about lights, because you can't really argue the fact that if you can be seen, then, well, you're safer. Also, I have a giveaway. Let's get to the shop. For those of you that don't know me, my name is John Maxwell, a highly trained unprofessional right here at Chattanooga Harley-Davidson. And on this channel, I bring you guys to work with me. So if you want to learn more about Harley-Davidson, you should hit the subscribe button right now. Things I know I will need. A Ultra. Well, any touring bike with standard style saddlebags. A place to lay painted parts that is, well, protected, you know, carpet or a soft cloth, blanket, towel, whatever you might have available. And a sidekick in the background to make funny faces while I'm doing this video. He's not paying me attention. Let's unbox the parts and I'll tell you a little bit about the giveaway. So what we're working with today is Ciro's Saddlebag Extensions. They are lighted. They're available in black or chrome. They fit 97 to newer standard length saddlebags. This one happens to be the black, and it's going on a 14 and later touring bike. Now, having said the fitment and the color options, that is what we're giving away this week. We're really Ciro's in charge of the giveaway. I'll tell you how to win it, but that's what's up for grabs. I'll tell you how to win it later. What comes in the box is full color instructions. The actual lighted extension itself, one for the left and one for the right side, of course. Some tiny little pieces that I don't know what they are because I threw the instructions away. And an electrical harness and hardware. Hardware means we're going to be drilling some holes in painted parts, which I'm not too incredibly excited about. And I'll give you some tips on how to do it though. But that's why we need the carpet, towel, blanket, protective surface of whatever for painted parts. Let's box all this back up actually. I have an idea. Let's go. Alright, now I've never actually installed anything this way, but I think I can speed this video up quite a bit if I do it like this. Alright, so just like that, easy peasy, we've got run, stop, turn lights on our saddlebags. Check it out. See, got a run light. Works as a turn. Oh wait, what, y'all wanted to like, oh y'all want some install tips on it? Oh, okay. Well, we'll back up real quick. There's a couple things you're gonna want. Tape, some sort of lint-free paper towel, cloth type deal, and rubbing alcohol or Windex. Anything to clean the surface so that all this stuff will stick to it and you don't have a bunch of crud all over your saddlebags. Now with the surface clean, we can test fit everything, make sure it's gonna look good, make sure our wire is out of the way so that it fits good. Set some tape down on all of our drill hole points so that we can mark them easily and see them later. Since this is a black saddlebag, it's hard to see any marks you might make sometimes. Then we can drill our holes, starting with a pilot hole of course, and then stepping up to, in this case, a 9/32 inch drill bit size to make them large enough to fit the nuts and bolts and everything through the holes. Alright, well it can be a little nerve-wracking to drill holes in paint. It's actually not that bad. It's one of those practice makes perfect type things, and if you only do this sometimes, it can be nerve-wracking. I have some double-sided tape to help keep this all lined up. It is 3M tape, which is good. I mean, everybody knows 3M, that's the best out there, right? I can assure you, we've tried to cheap out around the shop and get something less expensive. Don't cheap out on double-sided tape, just don't do it. It's a bad idea. I'm gonna rub my fingernail across it. It helps activate it. I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but if you actually do read the instructions, it tells you that. I'm gonna line the holes and make sure that everything looks good. Bolt this joker up, we'll route a harness in. Well, we're halfway there. I'm gonna put the bolt and washer through the bottom of the bag so that I don't have a extra length of bolt or a nut on the bottom of the saddlebag, because that would be really lame when you're throwing all your stuff in there. You end up like ripping a rain suit or something. Now the piece I joked about not knowing what it was for earlier, I was obviously kidding. It has a little bitty groove right there. It is so that you can route this wire away from everything and get it up into the saddlebag to route it. Did already clean the saddlebag, so I'm just gonna activate the double-sided tape and get it put on there. So that wire just sits in this groove right here so that it doesn't get pinched against the saddlebag. Now, using the included wire clips and zip ties, I can go ahead and route this wire so that it's easily accessible to unplug it to pull the saddlebag off. And it's gonna look like this. And I should note that I actually only had to use one of the provided clamps, and I just used the existing harness that he already had on here. Easily installed, plugged in, ready to go, except I'm gonna do the other side while you guys, well, I'm just gonna do the other side right now. And just like that, both sides are installed, and now we can go take it for a ride, and I'll let you know what I think about it. Pretty easy install. My last tip for you is anytime you're dealing with double-sided tape is to not wash it immediately following the install, and to try to install it in a nice temperature like 70 degrees or above, not too cold. The tape just won't adhere very well. Overall though, if you've never watched my videos before, you know that I don't do really in-depth install videos. They're just so boring. I hit you with some tips that whether you're installing this exact piece or something else between my video and the instructions, you should be a-okay. It took me a little over an hour to get this done. And I know I weigh heavy on drilling through paint. It's just my personal, people always ask me what I was most worried about when I started being a tech. It was drilling through paint. It still kind of is. There's no going back. It's one of those, you know, measure once, drill twice kind of things. But that doesn't sound. Anyway, product quality, top notch, like we would expect from Ciro. It is plastic. People often ask me what the material is. This is plastic, which I thought it was metal because of its finish. It looks really good. So I thought it was metal. Probably better that it's not actually for, you know, the weight and stuff. Man, really probably could have made that. But this is a great time to mention though that the brakes are run, turn, and stop. And they're visible from the sides and the back, as you saw earlier. That is probably the coolest feature to me, is that you're not just adding lights to the back or just the side. Now, it's not a lot of visibility from the rear, but it is more than what's already there, which is cool. I've already mentioned that the fitment is 96 to current model years on a standard saddlebag, meaning your specials that now come with extended saddlebags. This part is not going to fit. I re-bring up the fitment because I mentioned a giveaway earlier. Oh, they're also black and chrome. I re-bring that up because there is a giveaway and I want you guys to win it. Now, the only part that I have in the giveaway is telling you about it. This is how you enter. You need to go to Ciro's social media pages, Facebook, Instagram. You need to go there. They're linked in the description, just like the products themselves, as they always are. Y'all already knew that part, right? Go to their social media pages, one or the other, or both. I don't know, whatever you want to do, but you got to be at least one of them. I want you to tag a friend on this post that's talking about the giveaway. Tag a friend in it, and you're instantly entered. Now, real quick, social media, Ciro's pages. Not mine, Ciro's. Follow them on Instagram, like them on Facebook. Tag a friend in the comments for the giveaway post. On the date on the screen, they will choose a winner out of those comments. They will then contact you, you contact them, whatever the case. When they announce the winner, you pick what finish, chrome or black, and what year model bike you have, and they'll handle all that. I won't have anything to do with all that part. That's on them. Thanks, Ciro, for being a part of doing something for all of my subscribers and people that give this video a big dirty thumbs up. I mentioned safety earlier. That's why I like this product, is because the extra lighting. It only adds to it that it's also stylish as well. You know, you can slap a bunch of ugly old LEDs all over your bike and be safe, you know. Or you could actually find something that looks good and functions well, which I found in this. I'd like to point out too, one bonus for this too is the Y harness that's included. That I probably didn't get a very good picture of that. Maybe the instructions have a good picture I can use, but they actually use the OEM harness. So it's a true plug and play Y harness. There is no stupid butt connectors like a lot of other companies use, where you have to mess up a portion of the bike's harness. Major cool points for having a plug and play setup. It just keeps everything much cleaner and nicer looking without a bunch of junk hanging out underneath somebody's seat. Alright guys, you know the drill. If you like this video, make sure to give it a dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more content from me, all about Harley Davidson, some product reviews, all that good stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification so that you know when I upload. And I got some videos popping up on the screen if you hadn't quite got your fix, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.